Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide body in FreeCAD. So first we need to create a new object, so let's check if you are in the part design mode, and after that you need to click on create body. Here we need to select create sketch, and then we need to click on XY plane, and now we can click OK button. Then we can create simple shape here, so I click create rectangle and I select this one option. Now I draw a simple rectangle, maybe somewhere here, and I click close button. Then I select pad and I click OK to finish this task. Okay, our object has been successfully created here. So now if you would like to hide this object, hide body, you need to go to model tab, and here you need to click on this one icon. It will let you to hide this body. So in this way you can hide body in FreeCAD, but of course you can unhide this object if you will click on this one icon again. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.